Welcome to SmartyBits quiz about birds. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin, eagle, sparrow, or hawk? Penguin. Which bird can run very fast? Penguin, parrot, ostrich, or owl? Ostrich. Which bird has the biggest wingspan? Crow, albatross, duck, or sparrow? Albatross. Which bird swims and flies? Turkey, chicken, ostrich, or duck? Duck. A bird with bright blue feathers is duck, penguin, blue jay, or goose. Blue jay. A bird that symbolizes peace? Dove, crow, owl, or hawk? Dove. What bird has a red chest? Owl, hawk, robin, or goose? Robin. What bird turns its head far around? Duck, owl, crow, or hawk? Owl. Which bird is pink? Crow, flamingo, hawk, or owl? Flamingo. Which bird hunts at night? Robin, swan, owl, or flamingo? Owl. Well done. Thanks for being with the SmartyBits quiz, and please share, like, and subscribe on our YouTube channel.